Hi friends, in the previous chapter you have learned about microservices and monolithic architectures and also how they helps in different categories of IT, and also we have discussed about advantage and disadvantage under these services or architectures, right? Now let's move ahead and let's discuss about one important aspect in DevOps and cloud. Okay, so how these things are related to each other, whether they are independent or they are dependent of each other. Okay, so let's discuss in this lecture. Okay, so if you will talk about DevOps, so DevOps can be considered as a set of practice, tools, and philosophy. So we have discussed it. That is used to automate and integrate the process between software development and IT teams. Okay, so this helps in improving the product quality and accelerate time in market. So for faster and reliable product, we prefer DevOps practice. Okay. Now, on the other hand, the cloud is basically allows for simultaneous development to occur, enabling continuous collaboration between different teams across globe. Okay, when DevOps and cloud solutions work together in an environment that is built for flexibility and agility. Okay, and it can be also termed as cloud DevOps. So these term is also asked sometimes in interview. What is cloud DevOps? Okay, so if DevOps and cloud is going to work together, that are called cloud DevOps. Now, how do DevOps and cloud works together? Okay, so if you will talk about how these things are work together. So first one is cloud is leveraged by DevOps. Okay, so basically organization utilizing DevOps manage and automate their infrastructure using cloud computing technology. So there are various cloud computing technologies they are using it. Okay, so what it enables, so these enable them to follow an agile approach to different work processes in there. Okay, so if you will talk about, let's for instance, if an organization needs to start building on new software or project or scale up an existing production application, it can cause needless delays and complexity for DevOps team. Okay, so basically in cases like those, infrastructure offers an important boost for DevOps. So basically, it can minimize the latency and enables a centralized management via a unified platform. Okay, so in that case, you don't need to go here and there and search for different types of tool. You can just go and sign up for any particular cloud, and it will do that. Next one is cloud SecOps, means cloud security operations. So it's a collaboration between IT security and IT operations. Okay. So it's nothing but it just integrates processes, tools, and technology to keep an enterprise secure along with reducing any associated risk. Okay. And if you will talk about DevOps as a service, so basically is a set of cloud-based tool that enables collaboration between the development and organization teams of an organization. Okay, so many cloud providers will provide these as a service. Now we have discussed this, so the world's leading cloud providers like AWS, Azure, and Google are excellent cloud DevOps tools. They provide a number of DevOps as a service offering. Okay, so if you need to deploy any software, you don't need to go here and there and searching for the tools and how you can use them. So the cloud providers have their own DevOps as a service things built in place where you can also learn about them, see the demos about them, and start using them. Okay, definitely you need some kind of licensing for using them. Now, this makes a DevOps and cloud a best friend so that you don't need to go here and there and searching for the tools. Okay, now let's discuss about some tools built in some of these advanced cloud technologies. Okay, now if you'll talk about AWS, so AWS provide AWS code pipeline. So basically it build, test, and deploy code every time there is a code change based on the predefined release workflow model. Okay, next one is code build. So it basically compiles the source code, runs the test, and generates ready to deploy software packages. Okay, if we'll talk about code deploy, so it automates code deployment into any instance. Okay, including on-premise servers, AWS EC2, AWS Lambda, etc. If you will talk about AWS Code Star, so it's basically helps in quickly developing, building, and deploying application on AWS. Okay, basically it's a unified user interface that enables one to easy manage software development activities in one place. And if you will talk about code commit, so it's like a Git, so you can consider this as a private Git repo. Okay, now if you'll talk about Azure, so these all of these are very popular. First one is Azure Pipeline. So this build and test project code automatically. Okay, it utilizes CI/CD while building, testing, and shipping the code to the respective environment of your choice. Okay. Next one is Azure boards, similar like a Kanban board. You might have heard about it. So it basically provides interactive and customizable tool for managing software project. Okay, and it also provide variety of capabilities including calendar view, native support of Scrum, Kanban, and agile processes reporting and configuration dashboard. If you will talk about repos, so they are also most important. It same like AWS code commit, so they works like a Git. Okay, next one is test plans. So basically they provide tools for driving quality and collaboration across the SDLC, right? And next one is Azure artifacts. So basically they manages the dependencies used in the source code. Okay, so similarly like artifact for your operating system or for any application, these are the Azure artifact. They are stored in there, they are predefined in there, you just pick them and use them. And also they basically the artifact supports a range of package types such as npm, NuGet, Python, and many universal packages. Okay, if you so if you will talk about Google DevOps tools, so first one is Google Cloud Build. So it executes the project builds on Google Cloud Platform infrastructure. Okay, it can import source code from Google Cloud Storage, Cloud Source Repository, or GitHub or itself. Execute build as per the required specification. Okay, next one is cloud Google Cloud Deploy. So basically it automates application delivery to a series of target environment in a defined promotion sequence. Okay, similarly like Azure Pipeline. Next one is artifact registry. So basically it's centrally manages artifact and dependencies. It provides simple integration with existing CI/CD tools so that automate pipelines can be set up. And next one is cloud monitoring. So basically it will connect your metrics, events, and metadata from various sources, including your uh, different technologies also. Okay. So I'm hoping you are clear with these cloud leading tools which provide DevOps as a service. Okay, now let's meet in the next section and let's discuss about some important keyword used in DevOps, and also we'll discuss about them in one line. Okay, so basically it will help you in covering your DevOps interview. Okay, so let's meet in the next section.